usually knock the glasses. We just say chi non batte non sbatte, which means if you're not gonna knock your glass on the table, you're not gonna have.
Hey, welcome to O's Kitchen today. So today you can see we're in a special place and with special handsome guests from Italy. And today in this video we're gonna cook Bolognese. But however, we need to know about handsome guests.
Hi everyone, I'm Jacopo, I'm 22 years old and I come from Milano in the north of Italy.
Hi everybody, I'm Emilio, I'm 24 years old and I'm coming from Verona in the north of Italy.
Nice. So in this video we'll teach you step by step how to cook the most delicious traditional Italian Bolognese. Now we're going to introduce you what ingredient you need to prepare. Let's go, Emilio.
Alright, we can start with onion, celery and carrots with bacon and meat, and wine, tomato sauce, and then we put the pasta on.
But first thing first, we need to open the wine.
I'm introducing you Valpolicella wine that is coming from Verona. This one is a red wine and it's perfect for Ragù alla Bolognese and even with cheese. Alright, broken. Alright.
So the new rules here, if they speak Italian, they need to drink.
Speak Italian just randomly, just...
Yeah, just in order to drink, just because you want to drink. Yeah.
Ho messo l'acqua sul fuoco.
Fatta, perfetto.
Cheers!
Put in the water to boil the pasta, of course. And in the meantime, Emilio is going to take a bigger pan at work in order to cook the meat with the carrots and onions and everything else.
First step is to chop the onion, yes, into like small pieces, and we have to do the same with the carrots and the celery.
Okay, it's a little bit too quiet, so I'll prepare some questions for you guys.
Yeah.
Alright.
So I'm thinking, like, what is your first food you wanna eat when you're home in Italy?
Personally, I really love cheese, and that's the main difference between me and
We don't like cheese.
We don't like cheese.
He doesn't like the cheese. Yeah. So I think the first thing I want to eat once I'm back in Italy is a really good, like a proper mozzarella, like a real one, because I love it. It's one of my favorite things. Eat it in a bunch of different ways. You can just eat it all by itself, yeah, with just a bit of olive oil, some tomatoes, or just plain mozzarella, and that's good.
And you, Emilio?
What about me? I mean, I would like to eat like pasta with mussels.
Oh yeah, mussels!
I mean, here I don't eat so much fish food, so especially seafood. So I'm looking forward to it.
Wow! Is that called frutti di mare?
Yes, frutti di mare.
Frutti di mare! Yeah!
They're really good.
You need that with me.
Cheers!
All of us, yeah.
Cheers!
Cheers to frutti di mare.
Frutti di mare.
And then during the Christmas, since the Christmas is coming, what did you usually do at Christmas and how do you celebrate it and what did you eat?
Between, I think, all Italian families is to eat a lot of food. Like really, unnecessary amount of food. And so when it comes Christmas, we have this huge dinner. Always a lot of people, but we always have too much food. We never finish. For example, it's called timballo.
Timballo!
I don't know how to say it in English, so cheers to timballo.
For example, in the region where my parents come from, there is Basilicata, a little region in the south of Italy. We used to do like the Christmas Eve, and in that kind of dinner we eat especially seafood.
Seafood,
Okay, and fish. So oysters or mussels or something
like that. Good. Like
seafood for Christmas is nice.
Yeah,
and
fancy.
Yeah.
Fancy.
And the day after we usually eat like eggs with some kind of vegetables that I don't know how to call them in English, of course. And then we eat like lamb in the oven.
Lamb.
Yes. Yeah. Of course, pasta, like both of the time. Yeah. We cannot miss the pasta.
Yeah, of course.
Now I'm putting the bacon in the pan to start. And when it gets like a little bit brown and toasted, we can start putting the vegetables and the other meat.
Emilio, since you are really into cooking,
Yeah.
what would you do if someone put the pineapple on the pizza?
Pineapple on the pizza, I mean, I'm used to that because nowadays in Verona there's a lot of restaurants that put like pizza with pineapple and ham. Yeah, for the tourists.
Jacopo is mad. He's mad.
I've never seen one in Milano. I don't know.
Yeah, in Verona.
Is it a thing?
Yeah.
Oh,
I mean, what else can we do? Except for not eating that. I mean, of course we are not eating that. It's 9 in 1 hour.
In 1 hour?
Yeah.
It's gonna take 1 more hour.
Maybe.
That's right, we have wine, that's true.
Next step, when the bacon is like this, show them. Okay. It's time to put the meat, the cow meat. You put it down. You try to mix as much as you can, all the meat together.
2 of these.
Okay, that one is the chef one. So
Chef one, okay. Cooking with love.
Yeah, that one is
Cooking with
definitely Emilio's. Alright.
Oh, amazing, amazing.
And this is love at first bite.
Okay, this is my
This is yours.
doing MasterChef or something.
Maybe with this, you should take off the t-shirt underneath.
Oh, cool.
Comment below.
Comment below.
Maybe we'll have after video, you know?
Backstage.
Okay, the meat is cooling the vegetables, so it's almost done. Put some oil first, and then maybe
olive oil to show the camera about this.
Show. Okay,
Not the brand.
Brand.
But this is a really good, proper Italian brand of olive oil. You're gonna add it.
Yeah.
How much? More?
That's all. Perfect.
That's it.
The question would be, what is your ideal type of lady?
Ideal type of lady. Okay. This is a tough question, I mean, because
Not easy.
I don't have an ideal type of lady,
Okay.
but I like girls when they are smart. I mean, of course, beautiful, but if you talk to them and they don't give you the right feedback or put you in the right mood, I mean, why do you have to hang out with them?
Okay, that's true.
But one thing that one of my friends says always about my taste is that I always look at the hands of the girls.
Hands.
Yeah.
Okay,
I mean, I associate them if they are well treated or good hands. I mean, I associate them with a bit of the personality, a tidied up person,
that's such a detailed information. So if you're watching this video, you're a lady into these two guys, take care of your hands. Okay?
Yeah.
Really like girls to be tidy and clean, because I consider myself a really clean person. I like to be in a tidy environment.
Organized.
Yeah, so I like girls that are organized as well, and usually girls are more organized than boys, so that's not really...
It's hard to say because girls usually really clean outside, but when you enter their room, it's a mess.
That's true.
That's quite
That's true.
a fact, I
So
think.
it's not
I can relate.
that easy as well. And two, I don't really pay that much attention to the hands. I think that what catches my attention the most, or at least at first sight, I think it's the smile. I really like to be, not only to live in a clean environment, I also like to take care of myself. I love brushing my teeth. So a girl that takes care of her smile, of her teeth,
Catches you.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, it's like the hands for Emilio, you know.
Wow.
Tells you something about the girl. If she takes care of her smile, yeah.
Italian guys are really detailed.
We can say that.
So
Yeah,
detailed.
We are not superficial.
That's why your food tastes so good.
I hope
Every
so.
detail is important.
That's true.
Yeah.
That's true.
Let's hold it down, girls. Note it down. Today is meaningful for you if you want to get the Italian guy, okay?
Tell me how much?
It's alright.
Perfect. It's a cultural thing in Italy. We like to, after we say cheers, we like to knock the glass on the table. Good luck for you if you knock the glass on the table before drinking it. And we'll, okay, you just cut it from the video. But anyway, when we usually knock the glasses, we just say chi non batte non sbatte, which means if you're not gonna knock your glass on the table, you're not gonna have sex. But in general, yeah, it's just for good luck. Yeah. Okay. Cheers.
I was telling Lisa that we use this kind of water with a cube of vegetables, even for ragu sometimes, but it's mandatory when you do risotto. So you toast the rice before with onions, and then after you put all the ingredients, and after all you put like the water with the vegetable cube to get more tasty meal. So a pro tip for you guys, to wait just a bit for the water to go out, and then we can put like the tomato sauce, and then we have to wait other time, so it's gonna be a long time.
Okay, so the water inside here is already the vegetable.
I already put the vegetable cube water, and then when this water is gone, so that the meat and the vegetable absorb all that kind of water, we can put in Italy, mothers and grandmothers prepare this kind of meal the day before or the morning of Sunday, but like at 6 a.m., 5 a.m. So it can cook like 5 hours, 6 hours, so that at lunch it's ready, and it always has been cooked for a lot of time.
We're going to put the tomato sauce. Let's cover the bread. We're gonna put this tomato sauce with the meat and mix it. The sauce remains inside, so we need to mix it with hot water. And then we mix it again. See you later, babe.
1 hour later.
So we're gonna put the pasta. This is a really particular type of pasta from the south of Italy. It's called orecchiette, which in Italian literally means little ears. It's made in Puglia and it's really good, especially with Bolognese. So we're gonna put all the pasta we have in this pack. So this is our ragù alla Bolognese. You can see it's almost done. We're only waiting for the pasta to cook. But you can see how everything is well mixed. The tomato sauce, the onion, the carrots, the meat of course. Everything became part of the same thing. Almost there, babe.
I was careful.
Okay, because it's really full.
So you mix the noodle with the sauce
Yes.
in the pan.
Yeah,
Alright, we got it.
we have it. And it's done.
Looking at me, I was bare. So innocent that you were joking, and now I'm heading back with my mind.
Our judge.
Ready to judge.
Ready to judge.
Yeah, I'm ready.
It's good that we have an Italian judge, so he can really tell if if it's a real Italian recipe or not. A real piece of grana padano, so whoever wants it is gonna put it on his pasta. I personally love it, Emilio doesn't, so it's up to you. What does the judge say?
How will you say?
No, I think it's really good. I mean, good job.
Thank you, Judge.
Just it doesn't know what to say. Thank you.
It 6 p.m. and I'm stuck in my flesh.
What
Very
will you
good
say?
pasta. The pasta is really good. The sauce is great. And yeah, perfect with this type of pasta too. Well done.
Well done.
Well done to the chefs.
And thank you, Emilio, and thank you, Jacopo.
Thank you.
It's really nice, really delicious bolognese. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to your friends who like to cook Italian food. Ciao, babe.
Ciao.
Then it's all